Hi, welcome everybody, and thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm Kristin Stampini with Remax Services in Boca Raton, Florida. And welcome to StampTV, your best source of real estate information, tips and tricks for buyers, sellers, and also for real estate agents. So today, I'm gonna be talking about sharing 12 tips you should do before selling your home. Let's get started, but stay tuned until the end, because at the end of this video, I am going to give you a download of exact steps that you should take when selling your home. It's a checklist that's prepared just for sellers, and it helps you sell your home fast and for top dollar. So number one, make sure you landscape your home. Add some mulch, okay? Put some flowers and make sure that your lawn looks great and inviting. Curb appeal is number one. You can paint your mailbox, and you can also power wash your driveway and your roof. Clean, make sure you're cleaning and painting your garage door. So those are just a few things there. Make sure you have a welcome mat, and make sure it's inviting and welcoming to the home. Paint the front door of your house maybe. Even a vibrant red, and I know you might think that's crazy, but it really helps, which gives it a great curb appeal. Buy beautiful, fresh vases and flowers for your front door with vibrant colors of yellow, red, purple. And then, of course, declutterizing and depersonalizing closets and drawers in all the rooms of the house. Power washing your house, your entire house, is awesome. And even your curb, it can also be back by your pool if you have a pool. It can be your tiles. It can be the inside of the house, and making sure that that's all clean. And then, make sure that it smells good, like vanilla is always great, fresh linen, cookies. Give each room a purpose, and so make sure that they're defined. For example, the dining room compared to the living room. Make sure that they're defined on what the rooms actually are. And then, of course, you need to get rid of any bulky furniture. So bulky furniture can make a room and a home look smaller and actually cluttered. So you want to make sure that you're, putting it in storage or getting a pod or something so that you can make sure that there's nothing bulky. These are some of the marketing tips that will definitely help you sell your home faster and for top dollar. We have a whole list of things, so if you like detailed checklist of what to do to sell your home fast and for top dollar, make sure to click the link or email me. The information is below. We also have an awesome podcast for real estate. It's called The Stamp of Approval. It's on every podcast station that you can get. And if you like this video, please comment below, click on the thumbs up. Please share it, ask any questions that you have, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also click on the bell symbol to get notified when our weekly videos are shared. So thank you so much for joining us today on StampTV, your YouTube channel for weekly real estate tips. Bye.